Hello everyone, welcome to My GST Refund. In today's video, we are going to discuss about that how My GST Refund is changing the lives of business owners like you. So I will let you know that how My GST Refund helps you to get your GST refund easily. So what you need to do is you just need to go on www.mygstrefund.com, click on the login button, enter your login details if you are an existing user, or click sign up button if you are a new user. After completing your login or sign up process, you just need to hit the get started button. On the get started tab, what you need to do is you just need to enter your GST number and GST username. After hitting the submit button, you just need to enter the OTP which you will receive on your registered mobile number. The mobile number must be registered with the GSTN. After completing all this step, what you need to do is you just need to hit the calculate refund button. For the GST refund calculator, you just need to choose the GSTN for which you want to calculate the GST refund. After that, you need to choose the type of GST refund which you think you are eligible on your business. After that, you need to choose the refund period. For all the cases except TCS TDS, the refund period shall be 2 years. For TCS TDS, it can be from 2017 till the time you want to take the refund. After that, you just need to hit the submit button. A refund report will automatically get generated. You can access the same from the dashboard. You will also receive the same on your email ID and WhatsApp. Once your refund report is ready, you just need to click on the request for refund button. After that, you will get the details related to the plan, the pricing, membership and all. On the basis of your requirement, you can choose any of the membership plan which you think you can use for the future refunds as well, or on the basis of the number of GST registration which you have. For that particular expert advice, you can always connect to our expert by clicking on the book a call button. Our expert will guide you that how to move forward with your GST refund application. After that, you just need to do nothing. You just need to wait for our expert to get in touch with you and we will process your refund seamlessly without any hassle. You must be wondering what to do in case you're not sure about your GST refund eligibility. So we have made you sure that you will never go without anything from My GST refund. You can always choose Know Your GST refund option, wherein you just need to enter some basic details related to your business and it will automatically tells you that what kind of GST refund you are actually eligible for. For the same, just need to do nothing, just go on the Know Your GST refund tab and enter basic details. You will automatically get to know that what kind of refunds you are eligible. So that's all from this video. I hope you have seen that how My GST refund is changing the lives of business owners and the way the GST refund used to. So for more such videos, like, share and subscribe.